Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Driver lost control due to the excessive water on the road.
To the military right now, it seems like they want to see America fail. Because if they wanted to see America succeed, then they wouldn't be doing things like this. They wouldn't have Mark Milley and these other generals, these woke generals.
Drivers got into road rage after holding up traffic for a chit chat.
They'd be working to protect this country because look at what other countries around the world are doing. Look at China's military, especially with China's aging population. They are gearing up for something big within the next few years, in my opinion. And America is not prepared.
Just drive your car! Or what? Yeah, that'll end up real well for you. You're road raging, man. I'm just telling you to get out of the road.
Risky overtake over double yellow lines got this driver in trouble with police. Check out these two close calls on already famous intersection. Volkswagen was in a hurry. He overtook everyone using turning lane and later got clocked by police for speeding.
Folks, maggot. Yeah. Oh, please pull him over. Please pull him over.
Classic road rage moment turned into hit and run accident.
Oh, just got it. Just got it.
Whoa, 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 whoa! You're gonna cause an accident! What the f? Did you see that? Don't ever do what that idiot did.
Voice command.
Say a command.
Say video.
Light's still red, buddy.
Yeah,
Still red. Good one. Good one. Yeah, just go. You're already under the freaking light.
It is if it's going to the dog. You son of a bitch.
See her hit the lady, yes. And did Amber, as Amethyst, make loud, screaming accusations against the lady? Yes.
Driver didn't have clear view on oncoming traffic while turning. Unfortunately, he got T-boned.
Log file.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.